So I'm going to try to do the osteopathic adjustment on you today, Tian. Sometimes it works for her, sometimes it doesn't. Okay. I want to do that one first. Okay, let's slide down this way just a touch for me. Perfect. Okay, fingers interlocked behind the neck. Perfect, and then dead weight for me, okay? Good, big breath in. Good, big sigh. Good, one more. One big sigh. Good. Perfect. Good, big breath in, Tian. Good, big sigh. Good, and again. Good, coming on up for me. Good, big breath in. One more.